One of the easiest ways to succeed as an agency is by making your clients money fast. Who would have guessed? But yes, it is true. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it and how I have been able to provide an amazing ROI for my lead generation clients using a strategy that I've been using for the last fucking probably 6 years. And it's extremely simple. Anyone can do it, even if you're a beginner. It's really easy to create. It costs pretty much nothing. And yeah, it's just like something that every single person should be doing if you have clients that you provide lead generation services for. And even if you run some kind of other kind of an agency, right? Even let's say you do AI automation, or you do ads, or you do email marketing in the backend, or whatever you do, right? Like, you can still use the same fundamentals and apply it to your own business model. And yeah, I guarantee you're just going to be way more successful. Because imagine how easy your life would be if, let's say, your client pays you $3,000 or $5,000 or $10,000 today. And in 7 days or 14 days, you have made all of their money back, right? Like, you have already generated them a return on their investment. Because, like, obviously that's going to massively impact how easy it is to run your agency, right? Your clients are going to be extremely satisfied and happy. They're gonna give you a bunch of referrals. You get a bunch of really sick case studies. And the biggest thing in my experience is it gives you a lot more room to breathe, right? It gives you a bigger error margin because your clients say that, okay, this guy already made us our money back, right? And then if you want to try something new or do some bigger campaigns or do whatever the fuck you want, they're not gonna be super mad, and they're not gonna be breathing down your neck. Like, they're going to understand, right? Even if something doesn't work out as you want it to work out, right? And even if you don't get them the crazy results on the next campaign, they're not going to be super mad. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So yeah, if you don't know who I am, my name is Leevi Eerola. I have been running, I have been in the lead generation agency game since 2018. And I have been mainly working with B2B companies and helping them generate leads through outbound since 2021. And we also run like a consulting or coaching program where we have helped over 700 people start their own B2B lead generation agencies and scale them to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $100,000 a month. I'm sure if you've ever seen my YouTube videos, you've seen the crazy results we get. So I'm not going to talk about that too much. So yeah, pretty much, as I said, I mainly use this in the context of providing B2B lead generation services because I just think it is the best and easiest agency to run and scale to 100,000 to a few 100,000 a month. But obviously, this can be used if you sell AI automation or some other kind of services. Don't really care. It's the same exact thing. And the fundamentals are going to be the same. So how it works is you have a client, right? You sign a client, and this is your client here. Boom. And by the way, if you're not 100% sure like how B2B lead generation works, like I get questions all the time, like how do I actually generate leads? Like, it's really simple. I just take on clients and I run cold email campaigns for them. And with those cold email campaigns, we just reach out to their potential deals or like potential prospects. And then when people get interested in working with our clients, we just forward those leads to them, or we book them appointments and they pay us for that. So it's a really simple model. Anyways, you have a client, and let's say that this client is named John, right? They need to have a name. And let's say John today pays you, for the sake of simplicity, let's say they pay you $5,000 for your services. And let's say in this case, your service is that you're going to create a cold email campaign for them, right? You're going to be creating a cold email campaign. And with this cold email campaign, you're going to be generating them new leads. So as I explained, you just set up a cold email campaign for them. You write the emails, you scrape the lead list, you run the cold email campaigns. And then every single time when you get a new lead from the campaign, you just send it back to John, and John goes and closes a deal with them or gives it to their sales team to close a deal with them. And this is your main service, right? This is the main thing that John is paying you money for. But obviously, if you understand anything about cold email, you know that you can't start running cold email immediately. And this is the case with most of the agency services that you're going to provide, right? You need some time to set up the campaigns and warm up the infrastructure and do this and this and that and do market research, what the fuck, right? So in the case of cold email, for example, it takes 14 days to launch a cold email campaign because you have to prepare the infrastructure, and that takes 14 days. So obviously, for the first 14 days, this main offer is going to make $0 for John. they can't be making any money from this because we're not going to be running the campaigns for the first 14 days. But obviously, we want John to be super happy, and we want to make sure that John doesn't start regretting their investment, because it's natural to feel buyer's remorse. And if they sit around for 14 days and they're making zero fucking dollars, they might start getting a little bit antsy, like was this the right thing to do? Like, we haven't made any money yet, and how long it's going to take to recoup our investment, yada yada yada. So what we do, and I did this for the first time, I think it was 2020 or 2021 when I did this for the first time. Really simple. I asked John, in the meantime, as we are creating these campaigns in these 14 days, we would like to run a bonus campaign. And how you frame it, you say it's a bonus campaign. We want to make sure that you're happy and satisfied with this. So this is not our core service. We normally do not provide, like, this is normally not included in the $5,000 package, but we want to provide this you for free because we want to make sure that you're a happy client, right? So what we would like to do is we would like to take your CRM, right? And from your CRM, we would like to take all of your old leads from the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years, no matter, like, depending on how long they have been in business. We want to take all of those old leads and we want to run a reactivation campaign to these old leads. Reactivation, whatever the fuck, right? We want to run a reactivation campaign to all these old leads that have filled in a form, or they have downloaded a lead magnet, or they've been on a call with you but they didn't buy, or maybe they were paying customers in the past but they churned and switched to a competitor. We want to run a reactivation campaign, these kind of leads. And like, pretty much 9 out of 10 times, John says, yeah, that's going to be completely fine, right? Unless they have like a super sick sales team, then probably they don't need to do that because they are probably already doing it. But 9 out of 10 times, they have not done a reactivation campaign in years, or maybe they have done it never, so they're not going to fucking care. So we take their CRM and we export all of their old leads, right? All of the people they've had calls with, and all of the people that have filled in lead forms, and all of the people who have been interested in services at one point. And we take all of these leads, right? And we build a big list of all of these leads that have been interested at one point. And the best thing is that because these leads have already downloaded a lead magnet or filled a form or booked a call, they are not cold leads. So we don't have to send a cold email campaign to them. We can just send them a mass email broadcast. So let's say that they have fucking 5,000 leads that are in their pipeline and have been like interested at one point. We can email these 5,000 leads in one day. It's not going to be a cold email, so we don't need cold email infrastructure. We don't need, like, we can just use any kind of an email marketing tool. So we can use ConvertKit, or we can use ActiveCampaign, or we can use HubSpot email, or what the fuck, right? Simple email tools. And we can send an email to all of these leads in one day, right? Without any warm up. And it pretty much costs nothing. It's pretty much free to do. And these emails are really fucking simple because they have already showcased interest at some point, and they already know about John's company. They already know what the company is and what services they provide and what they do. And they don't have to be educated, right? There is already some amount of trust built in. And usually these reactivation campaigns are really fucking simple, right? If I just go in here, reactivation or re-offers, these can actually be extremely fucking simple. Pretty much the only thing that you need is you just need a good reason to reach out. And usually the best reason to reach out is something new, right? And sometimes there is nothing new. Like, sometimes the company has not changed anything over the last years or months. So you have to re-engineer something new. So you can work with John and you can say to John, like, hey, like, what could be like a new special promotion that we could do? Like, could we offer a discount, or could we offer some kind of a bonus for free, or could we do this and this and that, right? Usually it's really easy to set up these things. But a lot of times, like, there is just like companies iterate all the time and they change shit all the time. So in a lot of cases, you can just ask them, like, hey, what have you changed over the last 6 months or over the last 12 months? And they have something new. Yeah, we changed our pricing, or we added this, or we started doing this, or we stopped doing that, right? And they have somehow changed their offer or service, or maybe they have started offering a new service or product. And you can just use this as the angle to reach out. And in the email, you can literally just say, like, whatever the new thing is. Hey, John, we had a call. Or like, hey, Mark, let's say the prospect is called Mark. Hey, Mark, we had a call last March about helping you optimize your AWS bills, or helping you optimize your SEO. And I remember we weren't able to work together then, But we just started doing boom, 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 whatever the new thing is. We just changed our pricing model, or we just introduced a new part to our offer, or we just introduced this or this or that, or we started doing this thing. And immediately you came to mind, and I thought this would be relevant. Let me know if you'd like to learn more about it. And boom, that's it. That's the fucking email. And compared to, let's say, a cold email campaign, like compared to a list of cold leads, let's say on a list of cold leads, let's say you get a 0.1% booking rate. Like with this, you can usually fucking get crazy booking rates. Like the best campaign that I've ever done is I've seen a 14% booking rate. It was a really small list and it was a really hyper segmented list. So this is not realistic at all. You're probably not going to reach this. But even if you reach 1%, which is not that crazy, it is 10 times more efficient than reaching out to a cold list. And obviously you still need cold outbound because this is a really limited amount of leads. Like maybe you have 1,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 or a few hundred. So it's not a massive lead list. So you still have to prepare the cold stuff. But as you are waiting for the cold email campaigns to launch, like it is such a fucking easy way to book some deals. Like imagine that there is 3,000 leads in the CRM that have been engaged at one point, and you run this campaign to them with this angle. And let's say that you book from these 3,000, let's say you book 20 new sales meetings, right? Which isn't that much, right? You book 20 new sales meetings from this with your re-offer. If you have a really fucking good re-offer, you can book fucking a lot more, 50, 60, 100, right? Like that is doable. But let's say you book 20 of these calls. And the great thing is that all of these calls, they are really warm because they already know about the company. They know about the product. They have showed some interest and there's some trust. And the email that they receive is really, really like promotion driven. So they already are expecting to buy something, or they're expecting to already talk about prices and offers and all this shit, right? So it's a clear sales call. Both sides are expecting it to be a sales call. So let's say from these, like usually you can close these at a really high rate, but let's say they only close these at a 20% closing rate. That would be 4 new clients. And let's say one client is worth even $10,000, which is pretty small, right? They would generate $40,000 in new revenue from this campaign, right? From one single, really simple email campaign that you send out, right? And you can send multiple, right? You can send multiple. You can do different kind of segmentations. As you get better, you can do a lot more fancier shit. But they can generate, let's say, like really average medium campaign, $40,000 in new revenue by doing a reactivation campaign, right? And then let's say John paid you $5,000. In the first week, you 8x'd their money. So then you have no pressure in like getting this campaign out super fast. You can start doing more testing, experimentation, right? John's gonna be happy as fuck, right? Because you just paid off whatever they were gonna pay you. If they pay you $5,000 a month, you just fucking paid off your own service for the next 8 months. So you have 8 months to start making them more money, which obviously is super fucking easy. And yeah, it's a really fucking simple thing, right? There is so much money in sitting in companies' pipelines, like in their CRMs. People are super fucking lazy and terrible at reactivating them and following up with leads and nurturing leads there. So if you can do these reactivation CRM campaigns, they are fucking baller. And again, like you can implement this to a lot of different services. Let's say you run ads, maybe this would be some kind of a retargeting campaign. Or let's say you do fucking conversion rate optimization, like maybe you do something else, right? Or maybe you do like whatever you do, like this is really easy to implement into whatever agency service it could be, right? So just look at what are low-hanging fruits. If you run B2B cold email lead generation campaigns, obviously the easiest thing is just to fucking ask, hey, can I take the leads from your CRM and just reach out to them as we are preparing these? Like this normally would be a paid service, but we'll do it for you for free to make sure that you are happy and satisfied. And yeah, you can just fucking make them a bunch of money really fast, exactly like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to start a B2B lead generation agency and do pretty much exactly what I've done, go check out the first link in the description and personally work with us. We guarantee you results or you don't pay, and we will get you to $10,000 a month in the next 24 weeks with your own B2B AI lead generation agency. And yeah, if you just want to enjoy the free content, that's also completely fine. Like the video, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you want me to make. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.